Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Wish everyone to be fine and healthy. In today's video, we are going to look how to create a YouTube channel. So for creating YouTube channel, you need a Google account. Why Google account? Yes, you can run YouTube. You can watch video, you can like video. But Google account will help you to save your history, and your appearance to public. So without Google account, yeah, you can run YouTube channel very easily, the simple way. But you need a Google account to make a YouTube channel. And that will help you upload videos, comment or make list. The steps are the same for mobile and computer. So watch the video till end and don't skip, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free. So let's open our browser. Okay, after opening browser, just type YouTube. Okay, yeah, after opening browser we just type YouTube, and here we are, YouTube. Okay, open YouTube. This will take some time. Okay, after opening YouTube, see, I can run, I can watch video, I can like video, but I cannot subscribe, I cannot give a comment. So for this, or for uploading video, for example, I want to run a YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll just make channel. Next videos we'll talk about the thumbnails, the rules, and other things of YouTube. Okay, so sign in. Click on sign in. After sign in, you wanna have new account. So just use another account. Okay, so which account you like, you need a Google account for this. You can use phone number, but you need a Google account. Google account is good and simple. So cause you can use where you are, you can use whenever you are or another country or in other place, you can use Google account. But phone numbers, for example, you change your place, that time uh, this will need verification, so some problems. So email or Google account is good. So after we just type our Google account, just click next. After next, the password that you have for this account, just type here. So I type my password. Okay, click on the next, and here is YouTube. Again YouTube open. So I wanna see my channel. Okay, this is my channel. I made my channel. This is my channel. I didn't make any changes in here. So for next video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and share with your friends. So for next video, we are going to talk about the channel, art channel, and how to have a good logo for this, and how to change the name, and many more things. So have a good time. Allah Hafiz.